Today I am going to unbox this. Pretty excited about it. This is the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo Pack. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Let's come in through the side right there. Just like that. All right. We have it. Let's see. I'll just say open. Oh. Let's see here. All right, we in there. We got that, and we got some accessories. We got this stick here. File that to the side. Let's move that like that. All right. Probably should have cleaned up first, but that's all right. I already got some odds and ends. We'll see how well that works with that. Let's go with the accessories. All right. Got the start guide, some paper, some stickers. Some more books and stuff. I think this is something for the lens. We'll figure that out later. And this okay. I think this for the stick. The selfie stick thing. Yeah. Right, come on. Let's say rinse with clean water to remove sand. Okay. And this gonna go in here like this. And then we need that little screw. Got your cables. Let's see, what is this? What a camera at? Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, this the batteries. Ah, it's nice. This top part is a little plasticky. I mean, the whole thing plastic. All right. So without further ado, I think this is, here it is, right here. That's what I'm looking for. Well, it's smaller than I thought it was. So the SD card. What's going there? Okay. What does it say? Tighten the lens protector. All right. What is that? Oh, this the case. Okay. Oh, this is a strong magnet. Look at that. Let's see. Stronger than I thought it was. All right. So there we have it. I will be playing with this. Books and stuff. There we have it. The DJI Osmo Action 4. I have about 2 trips coming up, so it came right on time. Odds and ends for it already. So I got a better cage. Let's throw that in there. Let's see how you open this thing. Oh, wait. Oh, it's right here. So I think that go in there some kind of way. Yeah. Yeah. We in the game. I gotta tighten this up too. Okay. Looks nice. Let's see what else. So I got this. This is a What is this? Oh, it's for the screen, like a screen protector. So I see how that fit. I don't even know if that's gonna fit while it's in here. We'll find out though. Bought an additional battery because I know this only comes with 3. And I want all 3 of them in here, plus the one that's gonna be in here, which is I'll figure out how to open these. Oh, yeah. I think you can. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see that? Then I just put that in there. This could be charging. As a matter of fact, I think it's supposed to turn green when it's fully charged. I'll file that to the side. Let's see, I have this. Goes around your neck. I have this random thing here. So I can put this somewhere on here. Oh, right here. Yeah, there we go. So screw that in there. And then, there you go. Just tether it to your arm so you won't drop it if you decide to. Have it just stand alone like that. I don't know, we'll see. It's just some random stuff. Let's see what else I got over here. Oh, we talked about that. I think that's it. Just odds and ends. Got this little case. This might be too big for this, but there you have it. This is a pretty good brand here. They make a lot of stuff for this type of stuff. But there we have it.